Here's ASTRO AI Life Advice app, SOULMATE drawing app, alternative to another ASTRO app and some other apps. So let's just check it out. This is a new trend on TikTok, this SOULMATE drawing. So probably there will be 10 other apps quite soon. But yeah, the concept is really cool that this is kind of like astrology, AI astrology app. You just sign up, you enter your birth date, all of that. And then you can just see some daily horoscopes, dreamings, ask any questions, find your soulmate, check your compatibility, find clarity and guidance, ask and receive daily insights, work through life challenges, talk about compatibility with friends and romantic interests, discuss personal growth, learn about your dreams. If you have any questions, just reach out. So yeah, then you can just open it up, and then there you have it. And then welcome to ASTRO AI, and then what's your first name, and then you just basically start creating an account with all your data. So then you need to start a free trial, a 3-day free trial, then $7 per week. There is no completely free option, so just start that. And then yeah, you can just see some romantic compatibility, friend compatibility, conflict advice, and then you can just type your the idea, and then there is a gallery. But I don't know do I have soulmate drawing in here or not. So that's just, you can see some daily horoscope, personal growth, conflict advice. This is basically another astrology app, but I'm just not sure whether it offers how you can find your soulmate in here. So yeah, but I don't know whether you can find it. So a lot of these apps, are just created based on trends. They just obviously want to monetize it. Some of them are good, some of them, this is just, I don't know where there is like soulmate thing in here. Maybe you need to wait until your trial ends and then just upgrade. But that's just what it is.